You know that exact moment of absolute panic? You're applying for a loan, or maybe facing down a tax audit, and you suddenly realize you need an official bank statement right this second, but you have no clue how to find it online? Well, let's dive into this explainer and completely transform that frustrating chore into a streamlined, hassle-free process. Today, we're going to unlock the power of your Scotiabank digital accounts and make you a master of your financial documents.
We've all been there, right? Clicking through endless online menus, getting totally confused by different portals, and watching the clock tick down. But today, I promise you an easy, step-by-step tutorial that is simple and accessible for absolutely anyone, regardless of your tech skills. By the end of this explainer, you're going to feel like a full-blown banking power user. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We'll start with preparation and setup, move right into the step-by-step process, explore advanced features and conversion, tackle troubleshooting common issues, and finally wrap up with security best practices. Okay, part 1, preparation and setup. So before we even start, there's a crucial distinction you've got to make. Are you doing everyday personal banking? Then you'll be navigating Scotia Online. But if you're a business owner, you're looking at a totally different portal called Scotia Connect. Knowing where you belong is literally step 1, because as you'll see in a bit, it completely changes what file formats you can actually download. To get set up, you absolutely need a few prerequisites. First, your active Scotiabank login, your card number and password, obviously. Second, a supported, up-to-date browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. But here's the real kicker. Your browser must have at least 128-bit encryption enabled. If it doesn't, Scotiabank's system will actively block your access just to keep you safe. Oh, and definitely stick to official public browser releases. No beta versions allowed here. Moving right along to Section 2, the step-by-step process. If you're on a desktop or laptop, this process is incredibly straightforward. Once you're securely signed in, you'll land on your main accounts page. Just click on the specific account you need records for. Next, hit Documents or e-statements, depending on where you live. From there, you just choose your desired month from the drop-down menu and click Download. That's it. 3 simple clicks. Account, Documents, Download. Super easy. But hey, what if you're on the go using your smartphone? The Scotiabank app makes it just as accessible. Log in, tap your account right from the home screen, and hit Manage. Then just tap View All Statements. You can easily scroll, pick the exact month you need, and just use your phone's Share button to save the PDF or email it securely to your accountant. Here's a fantastic feature. Scotiabank keeps up to 7 years of your historical account statements securely stored online. 7 whole years! That means you can finally recycle those old, dusty shoeboxes full of paper statements cluttering up your closet. All right, Section 3, Advanced Features and Conversion. Remember that personal versus business distinction we talked about? Here's why it matters. Scotia Connect business users get incredible flexibility. They can natively export data directly into CSV, Excel, or formats made specifically for QuickBooks and Xero. But if you're a personal user on Scotia Online, your official e-statements are exclusively delivered as PDFs. Full stop. There's no native Excel version for the personal side. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Wait, I can totally download a CSV of my recent activity. And you're right, but that in-portal transaction download is just a live feed. It doesn't have the official opening and closing balances that an auditor or a lender will absolutely demand. So if you're a personal user and you actually need a spreadsheet for tax filing, you'll have to use a third-party conversion tool, like DocuClipper, to pull that PDF data into a usable CSV. These tools are real game changers because they cross-check the math to ensure every single transaction is perfectly accounted for with zero manual cleanup required. If you want to put your financial tracking on autopilot, you can easily set up info alerts directly in your digital banking portal. It's brilliant. You get real-time notifications about your account activity, meaning you don't even have to manually check your statements to know exactly what's happening with your money.
Next up, Section 4, Troubleshooting Common Issues. Okay, we've all been here. You follow every single step, hit download, and nothing. The document you urgently need is missing or the window just refuses to load. It's totally panic-inducing, right? But take a deep breath because the solutions are incredibly common and very easy to fix. Here's your quick troubleshooting checklist. First up, pop-up blockers. Most web browsers block the statement window by default, so just make sure to set it to always allow pop-ups from Scotia Online. Second, check your timing. Last month's statement usually won't show up until the first week of the new month. If you need check images, add a few extra days to that. Finally, if you're hunting for a statement from 8 years ago,
it's not going to be there. The online limit is 7 years. For anything older, you actually have to call an advisor or visit a branch. And just a heads up, they often charge search fees, sometimes $30 an hour to dig up those archived records. And our final section, number 5, security best practices. Remember that 128-bit encryption requirement we talked about at the start? Here is exactly why it matters so much. This encryption converts your plain text financial info into complex, unreadable code. It essentially builds a locked, secure tunnel directly between your computer and Scotiabank, making absolutely sure nobody can snoop on your data while you download it. But cybersecurity is a two-way street, right? You've got to ensure your own computer is protected with updated firewall, antivirus, and anti-spyware software. And please, once you download those PDFs, don't just leave them sitting out in the open in your default downloads folder. Back them up securely on an encrypted drive or a protected cloud folder. And rule number 1 of online banking, always hit that sign out button completely when you're done. Just a quick but crucial professional disclaimer before we wrap up. While everything in this explainer is accurate as of our publication date, digital banking interfaces change all the time. So always verify these steps independently. If you get stuck, you can always reach out directly to Scotiabank support at 1-800-4SCOTIA for the absolute latest guidance. So with your statements now easily accessible and perfectly organized, what proactive steps are you going to take today to master your financial future? Think about it. By learning to do this digitally, you're literally saving a $5 reprint fee every time, not to mention the drive to the branch. I invite you to like, subscribe, and share this explainer with a friend who absolutely hates administrative chores. Go use these tools, streamline your record keeping, and take charge of your finances right now. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.